on because I will make an ocean on it here.
Not the.
Let's take. I'm taking the rocks out. We need all of them to get out. We're making an ocean in it. Oh, forgot. We can have some light sticking out. Devin, a lot of the sea creatures are going in this. Not just ones you pick out. We pick them out. You get pick them out. And I get pick them out. Drop it in. We're getting our aquarium ready. Did you know it's an aquarium? We're making one. First we gotta get the clean. The starfish is going to be here. Devin, that's not a crab.
What is that?
It's a lobster.
Lobster.
Octopus.
There's octopus.
There, we have two.
What is this guy made?
Can I see? Shrimp.
He goes out Lobsters. 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 There are a lot of
Crabs.
lot.
Whoa, we're going to have a lot more. Why did you put these? They'll go in aquariums.
Oh. No. We need some gas.
Penguin. The penguin has to be down here. A lot of these guys like being high. Those guys should be down there. Put in. No, not on. In. Seahorse. That goes on the ground. You mean seal.
And seal. wheel.
There's so many creatures! How can we let them all move? Oh, I have an idea!
The crush.
This is our aquarium. That's one too.